Hi students, I Sandeep. This is class 2nd subject GK. The name of this chapter is modern equipment. What is mean by equipment? That mean gadgets. What are the gadgets we are using in this days? What is the use of these gadgets? I am covering in this chapter. So we have to watch this video till end, and I am explaining all the things about these gadgets, and you have to find out answers what I am telling. Okay, in the book the picture is given to you. You have to listen me carefully, watch video carefully, and you have to give answer properly as per name of these gadgets. First one is cell phone. What is mean by cell phone? All are familiar with the cell phone or mobile phone, that all the functions, all the work we are doing in the modern way with the help of mobile phone or cell phone. Okay, and not only work, we are doing entertainment also. In these days especially we are doing study also with the help of a mobile phone. Okay, different companies having different mobile phone. Your parents may be having different phone, my parents, your relative, your brother, all having the different companies, but all the work, the mobile work is almost same. There are the different features in different companies phone. So next gadget is pen drive. You are familiar with the pen drive. You are using this pen drive in your car for transforming data from one computer to another computer, transforming photograph from your friend to relative, like this. There are the different kind of pen drive as per size. Okay, size means to say they are having different data storage capacity. Like this starting early it was 1 GB pen drive, okay, 2 GB pen drive. Now this 1 GB 2 GB pen drive not in the market, and we will get minimum size capacity is 4 GB to up to 34. Okay, and this in this days they are having another pen drive. This we can directly connect with our phone with the help of OTG cable. Okay, there is another cable. Both you can look at the photograph in the PPT. There is two kind of pen drive. Okay, small one you can connect with your mobile, and big one you have to connect with your laptop or computer only. You can fill the songs in your pen drive and you can listen in your vehicle also, okay, with the help of sound system. Next is remote control, and you are also familiar with the remote control. Okay, early when we are watching television, okay, we have to sit on if we want to change the channel, we have to go again and again to change the channel. But in these days we have no need to go again and again near the television, near the LED. Just we can sit in one place and we can change the channel with the help of remote. Okay, in these days all the things is remote control. Like for the children there are toys for remote control, cars, truck, and so many other toys which we can operate with the help of remote control. Next gadget is digital camera. Okay, what is the function of the camera? When we are going on the marriage party or any other function, you are looking that cameraman is there. What they are doing? They are recording your movements. Okay, when if you are dancing, if you are doing any activity in the program, they are recording, and the camera is recording for the video also. Camera is used for recording video and for still photograph also. In your PPT there are two kind of camera. One is digital, one is professional camera which used by the photographer, and one is small. This you can use in your home also. This other you can use your big one you can also use, but there are different techniques and there are the different buttons. So small one is you can use in your home also for capture your photographs. Next is PlayStation. In this case PlayStation is very important because you are doing entertainment on the PlayStation. There are remotes, you can look at two remotes are there. One player can use this and other player can use other remote, and there are the buttons on the remote, forward, next, and other actions we can perform with the help of play. And we on the PlayStation we can use video game. Next is webcam. Webcam is used for online conference. Okay, video conferencing, for online chat we are using webcam. In this case webcam is used when we are applying for license, when we are applying for any other document. On the same moment they are capturing your photograph with the help of webcam. Whenever we are looking on the webcam, our photograph is coming and the person they are clicking the photograph, and same photograph will get in our document also. Next we have iPod. This iPod is very important. Why so? Because we are using in this stage for listening music. When you're going on walk, when you're going here and there, you can put song in iPod, and with the help of headphone you can listen this song. This is chargeable. Whenever the battery is low, you can charge according your wish, and you can put song according your wish. Next is tablet. Tablet PC is same like your laptop, but it is small in size. You can carry in your hand, you can keep here and there, and all the functions is same like mobile, but it is larger than mobile, smaller than laptop. All the functions are same like mobile, and we can call to your friend, video call, whatever the things you can use by mobile thing you can use in tablet also. Next is palm top. It is like a small computer. Okay, it is a very digital technique. Micro processor is there, and this is using for the engineering work. Okay, then when they are using these things for making engineering work, like they have to put all the software in the palm top, and they are using there. You can see in the photograph it is fit on the palm. That is why the name of this palm top. Next is students, this is palm top, and you have to listen this video, watch this video again, because all the gadgets in your book you have to see what is the use of these gadgets. And now this is your homework. What is your homework? Watch your video again and again. Write the name of these pictures which is given to you. Okay, in your book mobile phone is there. You have to write the use, what is use of mobile phone, what is the use of a remote control. You have to write the use of these gadgets. Okay, use of webcam, then camera and remote. This is your homework. Okay, thank you for watching this video.